In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to wrap text in Notion step by step so your content looks clean, readable, and professional inside databases. If you've ever added long text to a Notion table and felt frustrated because everything stays on one line, this guide is for you. We'll go through the full process, including how to wrap and unwrap text so you stay in complete control of your layout. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Notion tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the database where you want to wrap text. This can be a table, list, or any database view where you store text-heavy information like notes, tasks, or descriptions. Once your database is open, take a look at the columns you already have and decide where you want the wrapped text to appear. Next, move your cursor to the top of the database and click on the plus property option. This is how you add a new column or property in Notion. When the property menu opens, you'll see several options like number, select, date, and text. Go ahead and click on text. This creates a text property that allows you to enter longer content compared to titles or other property types. Now that the text property is created, click into one of the cells under that column and start typing your content. You can add a sentence, a paragraph, or even multiple lines of text. At this stage, you'll notice that the text stays on a single line and stretches the column horizontally instead of wrapping down. To fix that, select the text inside the cell by clicking and dragging over it. With the text selected, click on the text option that appears in the formatting menu. From here, look for the option labeled Wrap Content and click on it. As soon as you enable Wrap Content, you'll see the text automatically move onto multiple lines within the same cell. This makes your database much easier to read without needing to constantly scroll sideways. Now, if you ever want to reverse this and go back to a single line view, you can do that too. Simply select the text again inside the cell, click on the text option, and this time choose Unwrap Content. The text will immediately return to a single-line format. This is especially useful if you want a compact view for certain databases or specific columns. You can repeat this process for any text cell in your database, and it works the same way across different views like table, board, or list view. Wrapping text is a small change, but it makes a huge difference when managing detailed information in Notion. And that's it. You now know how to wrap and unwrap text in Notion quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.